You'll see changes emo after the end of the first quarter of this year. I might be wrong on that, but I'm anticipating. With all the trading they're doing, the fact that they got rid of the dollar, that is going to cause the Iraqi dinar to increase in value to the point where they might have to change the exchange rate. But any major changes like 12 to 1, that's not small. That's a big change in the exchange rate. On the group side, I am hearing very positive things. They are specifically looking at dates between the 9th and the 14th of this month. This does give us a range to look at. Urgent. The Baghdad Stock Exchange operates on the Nasdaq system, and foreigners and banks have become more investors. This is a very good sign that Iraq is opening to the world. Take notice of what they say about what currency the shares will be denominated in. The Iraqi dinar. Take even more notice that they are telling the world that the shares will be affected by the exchange rate. With the expectation of a rate change to be stronger than the dollar, one could imagine the impact that is already having and how much more growth there will be. This is a very good sign of things to come. I am so ready. Newest anticipated possible opening rates. Dinar 3.81, 4.81, Dong 0.47. I am told they fully intend to have this parallel market on target and under control within January. If they can accomplish this target, we know what their next move will be. We don't need to speculate. We know as a fact. IRS says these would be capital gains. If you make more than $500, you've got to report it. The tax bracket will be based on the amount of profit you earn. People try to overcomplicate it. You don't ever get a loss or a profit until you sell them. Note, some gurus feel it's capital gains, others feel ordinary income. The only opinion that matters is the IRS's. Always consult your tax professionals at the appropriate time to determine the correct tax for your unique situation. The IQD is going up in value because the American dollar is going down. This is the skeleton key to the monetary reform. It's going to be $3.50 to 1, and it's going to play about 4x between $3.50 and $4.50. It's true what I tell you. I'm not playing around. Ali al-Alak, the current governor of the Central Bank of Iraq, confirms that Iraq's money supply exceeds 100 trillion dinar. In 2003, for every one Iraqi dinar you got back $1.53 of U.S. money. That's what it was in 2003. The stronger the currency, the more confidence the world has in the country's economic stability and growth potential. How does a GDP affect a country's currency rate? Simply, a higher GDP signals a stronger, productive economy. This attracts foreign investors, who need to buy the country's currency to invest. This surge in demand for the currency increases its value, or rate. A rise in Iraq's GDP implies a healthier economy and a potential increase in the dinar's value. What will it take for the Iraqi dinar to strengthen against the US dollar? Imagine a country as a business. The gross domestic product, GDP, is essentially its annual report showcasing the value of all goods and services produced.